Hey guys, for the month of June I will be incorporating color into each of my tutorials. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to make tassels using colored string and the Chinese crown knot. Let's get started. For your setup, cut 8 pieces of 3mm soft fruit string and 8 pieces of 3mm taupe string, each piece is 1 foot long. Separate the pieces into groups of 4 as seen here. Fold the first group in half. Fold the second group in half and place the first group through the loop created with the second group. Fold the third group in half and place the second group through the loop created with the third group. Fold the fourth group in half and place the third group through the loop created with the fourth group. Thread the ends of the fourth group through the loop created with the first group. Pull on the ends to create a Chinese crown knot. Cut another piece of 3mm soft fruit string that is 1 foot in length. Fold the piece in half and tie an overhand knot to create a loop. Thread the ends through the center of the Chinese crown knot. Cut another piece of 3mm soft fruit string that is 2 feet in length. We will use this piece of string to tie a gathering knot around our tassel. If needed, please see the description for a link to a more in-depth tutorial on the gathering knot. When I tie my gathering knots around tassels, I like to leave the one end hanging as it blends in with the rest of the tassel. I'll cut the other end. Trim the ends. I'll show you one more time. This time I'm going to add 2 pieces of taupe and 2 pieces of soft fruit string to each group to mix up the colors a little bit more. Add them to your favorite basket, to your purse, or wherever else you would like. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.